Hi, Domenica here from Easy Sewing for Beginners. In this tutorial today I'll be showing you how to make these refillable fabric Easter eggs. This is a great project for beginners. It's quick and easy to make, practical, great for the environment, and you can put a whole heap of different things in the eggs. So let me show you how to make these. For the small fabric Easter eggs you'll need to cut 2 pieces of fabric measuring 4 inches by 5 inches. You can have an optional piece of batting or fleece for the inside measuring 4 inches by 5 inches. You also need 2 pieces of fabric measuring 4 inches by 6 inches. You'll need some thread, a marker, you'll need some scissors or some pinking shears. I'll be using pinking shears today, and you'll also need an Easter egg template to trace. You can download the small size Easter egg template for free, or you can purchase the templates, which will include 3 different sizes and the instructions all ready to print out. Okay, so we're going to start by putting all our layers together. So this piece here will be the inside of the egg. So I'm going to put my batting or the wadding in the middle, and this part will be the front or the top part of the egg. So I want the pretty side facing up. Then I'm going to grab the 2 longer pieces and I'm going to fold these in half. I'm just going to give them a bit of a finger press. You can iron them if you want to, but I find just a quick finger press is fine. So I'm going to put the first folded piece lined up with the top. Make sure your folded part is in the middle of the fabric there. And then the other folded part I'm going to overlap. So your folded parts are in the middle here overlapping. Next I'm going to grab my marker and the egg template. I'm going to place the egg template in the middle of the fabric there and trace around it. Now at this point, if you want, you can grab a couple of clips or a couple of pins just to hold all those layers together. Alright, ready to move over to the sewing machine. Okay, so I have my sewing machine set to a straight stitch. I have the needle in the middle position and my stitch length is at about a 2.5. Now I'm going to sew all the way around the egg on the trace line. You can start anywhere you want really. Don't forget to back stitch. Now if you need to pivot, just make sure your needle is in the down position. Next we're going to take the pinking shears and we're going to trim off this excess fabric. Now of course regular scissors are fine, regular fabric scissors, but the pinking shears will just stop the inside of the egg from fraying, and it looks cool. Once that's all done, then you can turn your egg inside out or right side out. And I just use my finger to push the egg out nicely, give it a good shape. And there you have it, a refillable fabric Easter egg. I hope you found this video fun and you want to give it a try. Don't forget to check out the description box down below for the free small template, or you can purchase the other sizes and instructions in the description box below as well. Don't forget to check out my other easy sewing projects, and I'll see you next time. Bye.